Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Dell laptop driver. So first guys, you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. After that click on support and then click driver and download. Then you enter the model number Dell Pro Max MC14250. MC14250. Select this. Okay, this is your laptop. If you confuse about this laptop, you just enter the model number, service tag and serial number. You can and then enter. After that comes same page. Okay, then next two options you have to update automatically, and second is specific means manually. So guys, in this case of automatic, you just require driver, it will show and then you just install. Okay, and if you are facing some issues and need to update, okay, so you can select this, select the operating system, you can see here, then click categorize. Okay, you can see, so first this is applications, second BIOS, this is also controller, Dell touch panel firmware. Okay, trusted device security, this is also storage for. Now you can see first graphic driver, you click to download, it will start. So Intel graphic driver and Nvidia graphic driver both are available, which is required. This graphic driver and Intel graphic driver both are available. Then scroll down, you can see this audio driver. Just this is download icon, you just click to download and install. Okay, and this is a camera driver, camera controller driver, and you can say, so then you can see chipset. So chipset lot of driver you can see. So install serial OICT driver, this is the actual chipset driver. Then mouse network, so you can see the network Ethernet wireless, so this is Bluetooth driver and this is Wi-Fi driver. Now you can see then SSD firmware and all. So those driver it required for your laptop. Okay, and one by one just download and install.